Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Napoleon Marache and Paul Morphy. This awesome chess game was played in the United States in 1857. Napoleon Marache had white pieces and he started with e4. Paul Morphy played e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to c4, bishop to c5, and now b4, Evans Gambit. Paul Morphy accepted the challenge. c3, bishop to a5, d4, e takes on d4, white to move. e5 was played, preventing knight to f6. Castling is the most played move and considered to be the best. e5 was played. d5, e takes on d6 en passant, queen takes on d6, and Napoleon Marache castled kingside. Knight on g to e7, knight to g5, threatening to capture on f7. Paul Morphy castled kingside too. Bishop to d3, attacking the pawn on h7. Bishop to f5, bishop takes bishop, knight takes bishop, bishop to a3. Napoleon Marache tapped himself on the shoulder and, of course, congratulated himself on winning the exchange. Queen to g6, bishop takes on f8, but now queen takes on g5. Bishop goes back to a3, d takes on c3. Black has a pretty good compensation for a sacrificed exchange. Do you agree? The game continued. Bishop to c1, attacking the queen. Queen to g6, bishop to f4, rook to d8, attacking the queen, queen to c2, pinning the knight. Knight from c to d4, attacking the queen. Queen to e4. This is now the most interesting moment of the game. Black to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Paul Morphy played this awesome move. Knight to g3. This is quite an amazing move, really. White to move. Queen takes on g6. What else? If bishop takes on g3, queen takes queen. What else? If h takes on g3, then queen takes queen. So, Napoleon Marache captured the queen. Black to move. And to checkmate in one. And the move is knight from d to e2. Checkmate. Simply brilliant. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.